to today's video. Today we are going to be tightening the skin. We are going to be clearing the skin of hyperpigmentation. Now, how are we going to be doing this? We are going to be making a DIY facial mask. Now, the beauty of this DIY facial mask is that I'm using all natural ingredients. All these natural ingredients are known to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. I'm also using ingredients that have skin tightening properties that will help to boost collagen and reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Although we have all these essential vitamins and minerals in this facial mask, it will not work on the skin unless you use it on the skin. Therefore, this mask, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week at least for the most effective result on the skin. So, what are you waiting for? Follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share a full detailed recipe with you, step by step, explaining all the ingredients and why we're using them. And at the end, I'm going to show you tips and how best to use this on your skin to get your skin to look naturally glowing, clean, clear and bright, tight and firm in no time. For this recipe, you're going to need a small blender. You're also going to need a strainer. Our first ingredient is rice, and we're using the rice for its natural enzyme, natural skin tightening enzyme. This will help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, boosts the collagen production in the skin, and once used on a regular, it will help your skin to look younger and fresher. So I'm going to pour a 1/4 cup of rice in the blender. And we're going to blend this to a powder. So cover and blend. Here we have our blended rice. Now rice powder. Pour this in. We're putting this aside. Our next ingredient is potato. And potato contains a starch that can help to tighten and firm the skin. Potato will also help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. It is really a good natural ingredient to use on the skin. So we're going to be peeling our potato since we're going to be extracting our potato starch. So just peel. Now once the potato is peeled, you can go ahead and either grate the potato or you can choose to blend the potato. Today I'm going to be blending. Before I blend, I want to chop it in small pieces for easier blending. We're going to add this to the blender. Now here is our blended potato. And now we're going to strain. Pour this in the strainer. And now we're going to extract the juice from our potato. All we're using is the potato juice. And take a look, here we have our potato juice. And what we're going to do, we're going to set it aside to form the starch. This is going to take about an hour or so. So let's put it away for it to settle. Our next ingredient is plain yogurt. You can choose to use plain yogurt or you can choose to use milk. You can use curd or you can use some soy milk in this recipe. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of the yogurt. If you're using milk, use 1 tablespoon. Any milk you're using, 1 tablespoon. Let's pour that in the blender. Next, we're reaching back for our rice powder. And we're using 1 tablespoon. We're pouring this in the blender. So in the blender we have yogurt and we have rice powder. Now let's put this aside and reach back for our potato. Now what we're gonna do, we are gonna extract the starch. So first we need to strain the top of the potato off. And while we're straining, take a look at the bottom. There you're gonna see the potato starch. And take a look at this. Here is the potato starch. And you can store this in your refrigerator for up to 7 days to use in your skin tightening remedies. Or you can pour this on a baking sheet, set it outside in the sun, or you could set it, you know, on your countertop in a dry area, and it's gonna become powder-like, and then you can store that in a airtight container like this to be used whenever you are ready. And also that will help to preserve it for much, much longer, way over 6 months once you let it dry. All right, with that said, let's reach back for our bowl. And this is about a tablespoon or so of the potato starch. Look at that, this is so amazing. Pour this in the bowl. Now once this is done, we have potato starch, we have rice, and we have yogurt. And now we're gonna add a final ingredient.
And here I have some rose water. We're gonna use about a teaspoon of the rose water. Rose water is hydrating to the skin. Pour this in.
Now after blending, take a look. Pouring this out. Now if it's too watery, not to worry, the rice is gonna absorb the liquid. And this is it. Your amazing skin tightening facial mask. Now to use this facial mask, you wanna wash your face the way you normally do, because you're gonna be applying this to clean skin. So you're gonna take a little of the mask, apply it on your skin. You can use a brush to apply this also, and apply this all over your face, your neck, and your décolleté. Now I like to just massage it on my skin a little bit first, like I'm showing here. Just massage it in and work fast because it dries really, really fast. And after I massage it on the skin, then I leave it on the skin. Let me take a little extra. You can be generous with this mask. And then, oh my goodness, this feels so good on the skin. You're gonna leave it on your skin for at least 30 minutes. It's gonna dry on the skin. You're gonna feel a tightening sensation. Not to worry, let it dry, and then you're gonna rinse off, preferably with some cold water. Pat dry the skin and apply your favorite skincare product. Now this facial mask can be stored in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. When it is done, make a new batch. This is safe to use on your skin every day. Now here is a little trick, a quick and easy beauty secret to this. You can take this and wash your face also. So take a bit of the mask and just rub it on your face, your neck, on your décolleté. Circular motion for about 3 minutes or so. And even if you're wearing makeup, you can use this to wash it off. This is how good this is. You can also choose to add a little bit of oil to the mixture to make it even better. Now, once this is done, just rinse off. So this you can use as a facial mask, and you can also use it as a facial wash. Amazing. Don't take my word for it. Just give it a try. So there you have it. Such an amazing combination of ingredients. Go ahead, give it a go. Use it up on your skin. Give it a while to work. For dark spots and blemishes, give it 2 to 3 weeks. For tightening and firming, give it at least 6 weeks. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. And guess what? Leave your comments. Those are always important. And if this was your first time watching and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed.